Moonpreneur's robotics classes are being held today in Groton, Massachusetts at Prescott Community Center, a very popular institutions. And we have classes going right inside in this center. Let's take a quick peek. We have these classes going on over here. A lot of good crowds. Students are just going to take this game, going to play the games. Parents are coming in to check out the students, and we are briefing the parents about the program in this another room. Our marketing partner, Divi here.
Hi, I have today Divi Lohiya, one of our marketing partners, and Vikas Shukla, one of the co-founders of Moonpreneur. So Divi has a stellar background. He is a IIT Mumbai graduate, and he has done a lot of work in our senior positions, including Rockwell Foundations. But more recently, Divi is involved with us. So welcome, Divi, and good to see you as one of our marketing partners. And hopefully your association will inspire other people to see the reasons why they could also associate with us. So few questions for you. Sure. For the benefit of those people. What value do you see in this kind of program in terms of our customers and partners?
Yeah, absolutely. So from the very beginning, I've been very motivated, and this is one of my passion, to make sure that kids of today are prepared for what the work of the future is going to look like, right? And I have been working very closely. So I worked throughout my career. I've been in the tech industry for 20 years, and my job has been building products. I've worked for companies that make products for engineers, but they have always focused on also newer generation, which means the kids who are in the middle and high school, right? And I've also been part of US Robotics, right, as a judge, right? So it's been always very near and dear to my heart that I do something where things I know, and where I can motivate and inspire kids to become future leaders as well as future builders, right? So when Moonpreneur opportunity came in, right, I was really excited about it, and I was very inspired to learn more about what Moonpreneur has to offer. I went through your curriculum, I looked at your website, and obviously it helped like that you are from ITDHU and Alok is from IIT Bombay. So there was obviously a vision that all aligned, right? So I was super excited, and I've been a partner with you guys for a few months now, and it's been very rewarding. Like, it's really good to see kids super excited when they attend the workshop. It's also very good because we are showing new possibilities for parents and kids on what they can really do, right? And getting exposure to what might become their future profession.
Okay, so hopefully, as Divi said, his 20-year experience, he sees future students in their future will love what they are doing early in their life. So Divi, the next thing is it like financially seems rewarding in our association, you being as like a marketing partner, setting up the trial classes for students and their parents?
Yeah, I think the best thing that can happen to anyone is when they get paid for what they love, right? So Moonpreneur, when you become a partner to Moonpreneur, it's not just that you can carry your passion forward, but the best thing is that as a partner, you get incentive and you get paid for helping what you do love.
People what you are doing.
What you love.
On a related note, would you be interested, or do you think it's going to be valuable if someone becomes a franchisee in one way or the other of a Moonpreneur?
Absolutely. I think franchising is a wonderful opportunity, and especially people who are already in the education business. This is one way in which they can add a higher value to what they are offering. They are taking care of the kids in their maybe daycare and school, and by becoming a franchising partner, now they can go back to the parents and say, not only we take care of the kids, but we also make sure we deliver higher value, right? So and in doing so, obviously they make money as well, right? So from a business perspective as well as from positioning perspective, it would be a great differentiator for them. So I would say being a franchising partner with Moonpreneur, especially like the way they are expanding and growing, is a wonderful opportunity.
Thanks, Divi. We now are having in Groton, Massachusetts, a trial class already happening. Probably you are seeing some noise over there. Kids are loving it. We had a great day today, and hopefully, Divi has shed some light on why you could be willing to partner with us. Thanks, Divi, and good
Yeah,
meeting you.
thank you, Vikas.
Thank you.